Hi, my class. So if you are in my class and following along with us, please take out Math 5.4 classwork, and you also need Math 5.4 homework for this activity. If you're not in my class, just copy these questions down. We're doing greater than, less than, equal to, comparing numbers. And I'll just slowly slide this this page so you can copy them down. And you really don't need my worksheet for this, and I remind you that we're running out of worksheets, so very soon we'll just be writing it all down on paper. But we're comparing 0.1 to 0.9, and it does say show how you know. I know some of my kids are going to be jumping ahead and they're going to say, well, this one's bigger. You are right, but let's prove it. We prove it by drawing a rectangle, and now I've become an expert drawer of this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I jinx it? Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Excellent. And so we know that we are trying to draw 0.1 here, and that is 1/10. So I'm just going to color in here 1/10. I'm going to slide this a little. And now I want to draw 0.9. So again, I am going to draw another rectangle. And I'm going to practice my expert drawing skills. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And it's 9. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9/10. And this is where I can see that this is my bigger decimal. It gets trickier when we have questions like this one, because this one, as we can see, is the same as this drawing up here. It's 0.1, but this 0.09, don't be fooled. I'm drawing another rectangle, even though I said in a previous video, don't draw all in 100 squares. What else are you going to do? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then we go this way, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Whoopsie daisies, I messed up. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Check it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great. So it's 0.09 hundredths. So we're only coloring in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hundredths. So which one is bigger? 0.1 or 0.09? Well, the answer is this one. Okay, just wanted to make sure my work is in there. It is going to get trickier when you see things like this. You're going to need to make this into a decimal, or you're going to need to make this into a fraction to see. Very curious how students respond to that one, so I'm not going to guide you on it. You'll see that the homework is the same, so I'm not going to go through that one. But I do want us to take a look at these word problems. So Dylan puts 10 cents or 1 dime, 0.10, into his piggy bank every day. How many days will it take him to have $1 in his bank? Show how you know. Well, that's a tricky one. You could draw it. And let's start with that. You could go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, great. And 0.1 is this. That's 1. So this is 0.10. This is also one time he put money in his piggy bank. If we were to add in another one, that would be 0. So this is also 0.10. But 0.10 plus 0.10 is 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. You always bring down that point. 0 plus 0 is 0. So that's 2 times he put money in his bank, and that's only 20 cents. So how many more of these do we need to put in to get to $1? Good luck and get back to me. Now, this one is different. If Dylan puts 1 cent, 1 penny into the bank. So in this drawing here, there is 100 little pieces, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this way, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And he's only putting in 1 a day. So how long does it take to get to $1? If you need help with these questions, I'm free to video chat. I understand these are a little bit more difficult than usual. Let's go to the homework. And Maria has $1. She wants to buy a snack for 10 cents each day. How many days will she be able to buy snack? Show how you know. You're going to want to make a similar model to this question. She's buying 10 cents a day. How many days? But she only has $1. How long will it take her to get to $1? These questions are almost the same. And this one too is almost the same as that classwork. If Maria wanted to spend her $1 by buying a sticker for 1 cent each day, how many stickers would she be able to buy? So this is back to the same model over here in the classwork. You need to draw a 100 bar. How many days does it take her if she's adding 1 cent a day? How long will it take her to buy $1 worth of stickers? And this challenge down here, if she had $10, how many stickers would she be able to buy? Finally, I just wanted to review for classwork. What did I assign you? It's back in this book. If you have this at home, 4th graders, 4th grade volume 2. And I actually went back for homework, for challenge, if you're interested. It's page 211 all the way to page 220. I'm going to keep the same classwork for the entire week, so it's up to you. But this is stuff that we learned in class already, so I think that most 4th graders should be able to do this at this point, 1/3 plus 1/3. Well, I don't know how it was taught in your class, but I like to draw them. I put in my unit fractions, and I see 1/3 and I color 1. I see another 1/3 and I color 2, and so that is 2/3. If you don't have enough space in this workbook, use some scrap paper, please, to always show how you know. And yeah, these worksheets continue with work we already have learned in class. This one, 3/8, you're breaking it down. So first I'd color in 3/8 so I can really see it. And this is to break it down. This is sum of unit fractions. So 3/8 equals, you could do 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8, or you could do 2/8 plus 1/8. These are all different ways of representing 3/8. There are some word problems over here on page 214. Over here we did something very similar in class. We have 1 whole, this is page 216, 1 whole equals 7/7, which equals 1/7, plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm trying to get to 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7, 7. Or you could even just have said 1/7 plus 6/7. 3/8 plus 5/8 equals 8/8. Over here you're comparing using your greater than. This is page 217. Greater than, less than, equal to. Use these fraction bars to help you compare. This is ordering fractions. Write the unit fractions in order from least to greatest. We're on page 218. And you want to use this on 217 to help you. 219, let's see what is going on over here. Oh, write the numerators that will complete the addition equation. Remembering numerators are the numbers on the top. And finally, page 220, where I asked you to stop. If you want to do this, is adding and subtracting fractions. Okay, so 3 9ths plus 5 9ths equals 8 9ths. 7 9ths minus 5 9ths equals 2 9ths. Okay, that's math for today. If you have any questions, I'm always available. Bye.